Si Gia kasi parang kung ano yung na-envision ko na magiging anak ko, yun siya. Naiyak ako.
Picking daisies in the shade, golden sunshine lemonade. Feeling good, I'm catching rays, and it's alright.
Smart na baby. Hindi din namin in-expect. Pero siguro mana siya sa papa niya.
Konti lang.
Very entertaining na bata. So, yung mga tao sa paligid niya, very nahahappy. Bago siya mag-2, she can already identify colors or different shapes, numbers, even the alphabets. Kabisado niya na po. Ngayon, kaya niyang kantahin yung mga kanta nila Sabrina Carpenter, Dayonela, yung mga hindi pang baby.
Smile is never fading, always so amazing. I don't wanna waste it. I'm living my best life. I'm living my best life. I can't help but smile. I'm living my best life.
Sa akin po.
Saan niya? Hindi ko masasabing matalino sobra, pero nag-iisip. Sobrang sweet, sobrang clingy.
Daddy's
Oo,
girl.
sobrang daddy's girl. Parang lagi kong naiisip na para sa akin talaga siya rin.
This smile is never fading. Living my best life. I'm living my best life. I can't help but smile. I'm living my best life.
Wish ko for you, syempre, nothing but the best. I wish for you to be healthy, physically and mentally. And sana lagi ka lang masaya until you grow up. Nandito lang kami ni Papa.
Happy second birthday. 2 years na simula nung binago mo yung buhay ko. Mahal na mahal kita, alam mo naman yun. Gabi-gabi naman nagmamahalan tayo bago tayo matulog. Wish ko lang, ganun pa rin, mapagmahal, tsaka thankful sa lahat. Mahal na mahal kita, palagi lang nandito si Papa. Love you.
I'm living my best life. I'm living my best life. I can't help but smile. I'm living my best life.
Happy birthday, Gia! We love you!